Jehovah, because what you say you will do, that is what you do. That is why you are called Jehovah. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very, very necessary. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys, my returning viewers, for the love and support. And if you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. So today we are making this simple, beautiful, eye-catching lunch. Yes, very simple to prepare, tastes amazingly great. I call it fragrant yellow rice. Yes, enough with the white rice. Sometimes let's enjoy a bit of color. Yes, so you know what? Let's get started. So I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box so you check it out. You just need some turmeric powder and some curry powder. Then I have my onion here. Then I have 3 cups of rice. You can use any rice of your choice. So in my saucepan, I add my oil and then my onion. And with this recipe, we don't need the onion burnt, but rather it should be translucent. So I add my curry and then my turmeric. Just look at how beautiful my onions look. So I add my washed rice and then I stir. Add some salt to taste and then stir for it to incorporate into the rice. And we all know curry powder and turmeric are very good for our health. So I have this broth, chicken broth, I add to it and then add some water depending on the type of rice. And I want my rice to single out a bit. Just say bako bako. I hope you understand. So at this point, I stir and then cover it for it to cook. Yeah. So turmeric and curry powder has lots of health benefits. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory property and antioxidant properties. It helps in digestion, and because curry powder also has a bit of turmeric in it, it also serves the same. So after 10 minutes, here we are. Our rice is doing beautiful. Very simple to prepare, yet tastes great, and it smells very good. The fragrance here, oh my goodness. Friends and family, you really need to try this yellow rice recipe here. You can choose to use curry powder alone or turmeric alone, but trust me, combining the two is a wow. So my rice is doing perfect, exactly how I want it. So now I am going to serve the family. So I am pairing it with some chicken and some salad here. That's it. and my Sunday is done. So why don't you try this recipe and give me a comment? I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, kindly give your girl a thumbs up, kindly like this video, and then please subscribe so we grow together. So I hope you enjoy lunch with me. Thank you, and see you in our next video whilst I enjoy my lunch. Bye bye. But you are invited.